every time that you do something from your heart, serving others, it is the greatest quality that you can work with. It's the most noble profession. And by doing that, by experiencing that, it makes you a better version of yourself. My name is Karina. I was born and raised in Mexico City. My mother, since I was a teenager, always suggested, you know what, I think that you would be good in yoga. I think you never forget the moment then you realize that you fell in love with yoga. Even though that you have practiced before in different classes or with different teachers, the moment that you realize that that is the practice that you want to do, you will never forget. The feeling after the practice, it was completely different than after you do a workout. So I knew right away that is the feeling I wanted to pursue. I've been teaching yoga for 3.5 years in Dubai. I try always to prepare the body, then I make sure that they have a good alignment, then I give them a flow so they can feel the breathing incorporate into the movement, and then I go to a relaxation before Shabbat. I will try to awaken in them different qualities of elements that you have around you, like the element of earth, the element of fire and water, that they can experience through their body, through the practice of asanas. I believe that there are special places in the world that have different qualities, and put them all together, it creates a perfect environment. Bali is one of them. All your senses are connected with your environment. Bali has the beauty of the nature. You're surrounded by an ecosystem that is amazing. You have a special kind of energy that comes from the culture, from the people. The staff pays extra attention to every detail, every second in the time that you're here. So Oneworld Retreat, being secluded, not so far away from town, it gives you the perfect atmosphere to have all those qualities that Bali can provide. Well, if you're new to yoga, what I will tell you is that you're in the perfect place. When you're here in Bali for the whole week, you're just taking care of your body the way that you should be taking care of your body in daily basis. But here you make it easier. You learn how to do it. Who will benefit from this retreat is whoever is willing to open his heart, his mind, to allow themselves be guided by someone, in this case myself, to be treated and guided with love and compassion. If they're really letting themselves go, they will receive the benefits not only of the yoga practice, but from having the experience of learning from themselves and being with themselves. I think it's a perfect time to learn how we can be well, we can be good, feeling good with ourselves when we get back home. I hope that everyone gives themselves an opportunity to take this time for themselves. They will be in touch with people that have the same purpose of being with their own selves and learning from themselves. Serving is the most honorable and noble profession. And when you do it with love and you find that in yourself, it's the only way that you can give that to others. And that's what I feel when I'm teaching or leading others. So I feel that I'm being a better version of myself when I'm expressing that way and when I'm serving others that way.